Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get an invoice on Lufthansa. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Lufthansa account, which of course I have done right here. Now how can you create an account in Lufthansa? Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar type lufthansa.com and that's going to take you right into the official website for Lufthansa. Once you get into the website, check the top right corner of your screen and click on the login or registration button for you to create your account. After going through the process and you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Lufthansa. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to get an invoice in Lufthansa. Now for you to get an invoice, you need to check your booking. So once you check your booking, you're going to see an option for you to print a passenger receipt. So there are two ways to go about that. Actually, one way I'm going to show you. Okay, so from this homepage, check the top right corner. You have the book and prepare tab. You have my bookings and you have discover Lufthansa. So go ahead and click on my bookings and it takes you in here where you have the two categories which include manage and extra services. So from here, go ahead and click on head over to manage, and under manage you have check-in, flight status, manage booking, seat reservations, rebook, cancellation and refund, passenger receipt. Then you have delayed and damaged baggage. So go ahead and click on passenger receipt. You have the option of opening and printing out your passenger receipt using the following link. Your passenger receipt will be available for you to download after your ticket has been issued and for up to 90 days after your journey has been completed. So you can click on download your passenger receipt, or you can click on request your passenger receipt, depending on the one you want to. So let's say download the passenger receipt. So here, online request. So enter your document number, your first name, your last name, and click on request passenger receipt. So after doing that, that's just going to be it. You're going to get your passenger receipt from Lufthansa. They're definitely going to send it to you via mail. So here you can make an online request for your passenger receipt. To do so, fill in the form, and your document number has 13 digits and can be found in your payment confirmation. The option for download is valid up to 90 days after end of travel. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.